Hello viewers, welcome to my new video. Today I am gonna show you how to download YouTube video from YouTube by mobile device or PC or iPhone. Now let's start. So at first you have to go Google, search YouTube, or if you have YouTube apps, then open YouTube. In YouTube you can search anything or any song or any clips. Search it. I'm gonna search new song 2022. I will download a song. Now choose any one of the song. There's some nice song, but I will download English song. So I choose Eric Nam, Lost on Me. So you should click on share, copy link, then you have to search and site name save from .net. Save from .net. Save from .net. Click it. Choose Chrome and enter the URL. Search it. It will automatically search the song and then give you an option the download. Choose the resolution 720 or 360. I will choose 720. Then click download, and the download will automatically start. Let's see. Eric Nam, my song is downloaded. So this is the process, very easy process. My song was downloaded. Open it and enjoy your video. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Hope you will enjoy. Thanks for watching again. Goodbye.